Are you planning a home renovation and want to ensure you stay on budget? Do you want to work with a contractor who tells you how much your home remodel will cost before you begin construction? Learn about the benefits of a fixed price contract for your construction project. Hi, I'm Carrie, a design consultant at Lamont Brothers Design and Construction. I've worked on dozens of projects that have used a fixed price construction contract that helps ease our clients' mind on cost. Today, we'll delve into the world of fixed price contracts, a method that offers stability and predictability in your renovation costs. We'll explore the advantages and disadvantages to help you decide if this approach aligns with your remodeling goals. What is a fixed price contract? In construction, a fixed price contract is a contract that the client and the contractor agree upon that is based off of a detailed set of plans and a detailed scope that is defined well before we start construction. What are the advantages of a fixed price contract? One of them, and the most important one, is that we're going to know exactly what the price is going to be before we start construction. We're going to spend a lot of time in the design phase making sure we come up with a very detailed set of plans. That's going to mean fewer surprises and very little to no homeowner administration during construction. What are the disadvantages of a fixed price contract? Well, the biggest one being that it's going to take a little bit longer before we can start the actual construction of your project, because we spend a lot of time in that defining and planning and designing stage to make sure we come up with a real good plan to put a real hard number to it. The other disadvantage of that is it means that there's very little flexibility during construction, where if you want to make any changes to the plan that we've worked on already, it's going to require a change order, which means it's going to increase the cost of the project. Now that you know more about fixed price contracts, continue to educate yourself on other types of home renovation contracts. Read this article linked below, which discusses another option known as cost plus. By comparing these contracts, you can make an informed decision about which one suits your remodeling needs best. Continue to inform yourself and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content from the experts on home remodeling.